there. Tomorrow I'm going to do up there. And then see how time goes. I'll be starting over on that side over there. And yeah, replacing all that crappy metal on the bottom there. I'm just going to cut the whole section out because it's pretty much toast. No point trying to weld to rot. Okay, Rob here with Canadian Haywire, back at it again on the Jeep J20. I'll just take you around here and show you where we're at today. So we've made a patch for the lower part. I just tacked it. I gotta weld it and do a few more things yet. Where I ground down where it's black, I found a couple soft spots that I punched through a welding hammer. Then I gotta grind all the tacks down and clean all that up and do the inner rockers there and here, and I'll put the new rockers on once I have the cab where I want it. I may even try to do it while it's up like this. I'm not sure yet. It's a lot of work either way. Obviously I just got the D-pillar in too, so that's going to be going in not today but soon-ish. Quite a bit to do here yet, so we'll get to that as soon as we can. But first priority is this side, finish that off on the lower part, and then go over here and put a piece up there across, and yeah, and that'll be that, I believe. And seam seal it all, color goodish, and lower the cab, do the firewall. Alright, so the Gladiator now has a floor again. Boy, what a lot of work that was. To let the paint dry and look, see if I missed any spots and touch her up in the morning. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll be posting more videos real soon here. Thanks. Okay, quick update on Operation Rejuvenate. Just going to turn it around and show you what we've done. Okay, so I gave the frame a quick touch of paint like I was saying. I'm going to try to save these cab mounts without having to buy new ones. I'll see how that works out. Worst comes to worst, so I'll cut them off and order a set from BJ's. Alright, stay tuned.